Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any first time watching my videos, clearly watch each and every video. You will be visible by the each and every content with a real time scenario. So any YouTubers uploading for any videos, majorly the video how we can prepare. So first of all, any video will be making here. First of all, using will be Canva option. So the video will be Canva and click with the SD quality option. After download your SD quality video, the 1080 by 1080 and 1080 by 920 pixel and so many options will be here. 280 by 720 is a thumbnail size. So every video we have the number of pixels are there, but any kind of YouTube shorts, Facebook reel, Instagram reel, the one and only will be selected by the size 1080 by 9020 pixel. You can download the video and make the video and download it. And when uploading time, what are the your mentioned title? The title should be compulsory important will be in particular users and copy. Before uploading file will be here. What are our video particular text and upload it. So what are the options you can utilize here? So copy, paste. So anyone looking for properly user laptops, second-hand laptops, can contact this person, Steel Laptop World. They will be give the best laptop price and they will be give the 1 year support service supporting also. And just we can go to this particular person and we can purchase your particular laptops. So copy this and paste it. See here. So yeah. So only one difference, long video and short video. Any short video thumbnail, custom thumbnail selection is possible only for mobile device. Remain everything same. Only thumbnail will be setting for mobile device will be particular suitable will be here. So after that, mention by record date. This is a compulsory important. If you are give the video location, we can to the customers that it will be based on your map. What are the map will be here? You can use will be in this particular things. After that, click for next and next and next. It is any video will be published will be private mode. So after publishing will be private, the video will be upload will be private option. So it will be published will be private option. So those video will be created by the in a customers. Everything will be here. The publish the video will be on time publish set as a premium option. This will be short video. Don't go with the premium option. Direct publish the video will be here to the audience. So that is visible to the customer will be here. After that, the immediate what are the shorts you release onto the YouTube, immediate we can do option name is called what are the content you have. So what are the your profile will be visible to the customers. Copy. Just go to your community tab, select your video option. What are the video you will be published in here? Select this, click here and make it click for post option. So compulsory you can upload will be community option. They can visible to the customers. So this will be upload will be short option. people watching for your videos by using communities, and they will be contact by your phone number, anything by using this particular method. So in this community, what will helping for how many people watching for your view per hour, everything visible to the particular customers. So those steps you can follow it and update by the each and every profile to the particular video onto your particular option. So those steps you can follow it and upload the videos on particular high resolution shots on particular YouTube channel option. Proper content, proper playlist, everything. After updating, you can compulse updating for YouTube community tab option, and we can update for this future that will be increasing for views and the proper subscriber will gain for your particular YouTube channel option. So release the any kind of content to your particular short video with high resolution video will be compulsory important. If any further question, contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.